Today we're doing a test of Parrot Bay. As you can see, we have half the bottle lens already. I already know what it tastes, but we'll give it another taste here now.
Like, give me a drink out, man.
It's a lot more acidic and stuff than Captain Morgan and all.
Do a video.
Yeah, no, it is a video.
She take my money
when I'm in need.
Yeah, she's a driving friend indeed. Whoa, she's a gold digger.
Yeah!
The town that digs on me.
Nice one, Keith. Nice one.
Yeah! Let's fucking go!
So, I don't recommend Parrot Bay. It's not the greatest. Captain Morgan is a lot nicer, but, or even if you're looking for a cheap one, what do you call it? Captain Cook. Captain Cook is a very, very nice drink. So it is, and it's cheap as well. It's like a cheaper version of Captain Morgan as well. But no, but Parrot Bay, it's not the nicest, but it's not bad either. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, go for Parrot Bay. Yeah, but I wouldn't buy it again. There's so much other similar but nicer drinks than Parrot Bay. That's it, and thank you for watching.